Greetings everyone, welcome to Social Science TV. This is Mr. MZ Gumede, the history and geography educator. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that each and every time when we post the new video, you become the new or the first person to actually receive the notification each and every time when we post the new video. So today our lesson will be based on history, on how to actually answer source-based question. How to answer source-based question. So source-based question is not like other question that is actually answered anyway during examination, classroom assessment, or homework. So when we are talking of a source-based question, we are talking about the question that is based on a source. You look at the source and then you answer the question. So we have different sources. Firstly, we have a picture and a cartoon, and then we have an article or an extract. Then we also have audio and visual source-based. Now, before we go straight on how to actually answer a source-based question, let us look at how to answer a picture-based or a cartoon-based question. Firstly, you study the source. You study the picture or you study the cartoon. After studying the cartoon, you write down everything visible in the cartoon. You look at the facial expression if there are human beings in the picture or a cartoon. You look at the features, whether they are enlarged or not. Then after that, you draw out the meaning. You draw out the meaning. What does the cartoon actually mean? After that, then you go straight to answer the question. Remember, during examination, they actually answer they actually ask the question according to the source. Define what is meant by amnesty. According to the source, define what is meant by amnesty. Here you don't use the definition that you know or that your educator taught you, but you use the definition that is visible on a source base. And then an article, how to answer an article-based question. First of all, you read the article, you read with understanding. You write down all the facts. You underline and write down all the facts visible in an article. You look at the dates of publication. Why you are looking at the date? You wanna check if the article is still relevant even today. Also, identify the author. Who is the author of that particular article? Then from there, you draw out the meaning. Then we have audio visual sources. We have audio visual sources means that you can watch and listen to the source. First of all, the first step is you listen and watch the source. You also look or listen at the voice and facial expression. So why you actually not look at the voice and facial expression? You want to identify the feeling of the presenter. After that, you identify and write down all the facts. You identify who is the presenter of that particular article and the date of presentation. Why? You also wanted to check if the article or the video is still relevant even today. After that, you draw out the meaning. Now let us look at the source the picture. Let us look at this picture. Here we have, this was during the Soweto uprising. The tall man here is Mbuyisa. On the other side is Hector Peterson. On the left is Mary Antoinette, the sister of the Mbuyisa, who was killed and shot by the police during the Soweto uprising. So what do we notice about this picture? Now let us look at who is the author of the cartoon, or actually who took the picture of who actually took the picture of Mbuyisa during the uprising. Unfortunately, there is no written name of the photographer, but by looking at them, the facial expression of these two, Mbuyisa Makubu and the sister of Hector Peterson, of a 12-year Hector Peterson, you can see from their facial expression that they are angry or they are not happy because their brother Hector Peterson has been shot by the police. Now we have studied the cartoon now. We can now answer the question. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.